I'm the math guy, Steve. Let's talk about secants and tangents. So the secant-tangent theorem tells us that if a tangent and secant are drawn from a common point outside the circle and the segments are labeled like this picture here, then we know that a squared equals b times b plus c. Okay, all right. So let's try using that in this problem. All right, so this problem says find the x. So how do we find x here? By just using the formula. So we know that a squared equals b times b plus c. Okay. All right, so remember a here is the part on the outside of the circle that's on the side by itself. So in this case, it would be x, so x squared equals b is the part outside the circle that's not by itself. So in this case, it would be 16 and then times b plus c. So 16 plus c is the part inside the circle that's not by itself. So 25 here. And now we solve for x. So here that would be x squared equals 16 times 41, okay? And now taking the square root. Now, anytime you put your own square root, don't forget that plus or minus, okay? So x here would equal plus or minus the square root of 16 times 41, all right? Now, we do know that this is a length, and so this length can be negative, so it's the positive version. And so that would give us positive square root of 16 times square root of 41, or in other words, 4 square roots of 41. And we could use our calculator to approximate this value. Always remember, math is everywhere.